How to fix contact names not showing in incoming calls. So if you want to fix contact names not showing in incoming calls, then you just need to open up your phone application or your phone and go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and go for settings. Under your settings, go for the caller ID and spam, and here you need to toggle that on. So you just need to toggle on see caller and spam ID, and once you toggle that on, now you'll be able to receive. But if you're not being able to receive even after that, then you just need to open up your settings. Once you've opened, go for the applications and go for phone. Open up your phone on your settings, and here you just need to go for permissions. And under permissions, if you have not allowed the access of the phone, or if you have not allowed the access of your contacts, then you just need to go and access the contacts. So here I have allowed the contacts permission, so make sure to allow that, and once you've allowed, your problem will be fixed. But if that still don't, then you just need to go for your contact, any contact that you would like, and delete the contact and then again add them. So go for your phone and choose the person's ID, and then go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and delete the contact. And once you've deleted, you need to again add the contact. So once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix the contact names not showing in incoming calls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.